this is Andrew, and I'm a finance professor, and I'm also the director for Master of Science in Quantitative Finance. I'm excited to have this opportunity to take our program to you, hospitality majors. Well, the first question you might have is, I already have a bachelor's degree in hospitality, and what's the point for me to pursue a Master of Finance degree here? Well, here is the fun part, right? Finance and hospitality are way more deeply connected than you might have thought. For hospitality industry, either it's an airline or hotel or restaurant or casinos, all of them right now are database decision-making process for people to make business decisions. And the financial model that you will learn from us will help you develop even more successful career in the hospitality industry. Lot of experience, lot of model we teach, like cost models, like a revenue model, or this model or investment models will help you detect market trend and manage your cost in a more efficient way. The faculty here in our program will we will teach you more quantitative research models and skills, and then we'll offer more relevant insight toward your industry, given you already have a lot of knowledge and experience in the hospitality industry, and this additional financial modeling skills will provide you additional advantage toward your future success. So whether you need to analyze the customer behavior or analyze your cost structure of your business, and these financial models will be used for toward make contribution to your success in the future again, right? So here is some example. You can use our financial skill, modeling skills, combined with the hospitality experience you already have, right? Like operational insight, like investment banking. And in particular, I need to raise your attention, yes, in the hospitality industry is very capital intensive. So in other words, it's very common for people in that industry to raise the capital through we call external financing, like borrow the money from the bank or issue the bond or even issue the preferred or common stocks. All these things require you not only the hospitality skills, but also the financial skills, right? Also, I know some of you have learned the customer service and skills from the hospitality industry. And also, this it could be combined with the financial modeling skills that will help you even better to retain clients, to develop the revenue, right? Another area you might have thinking is we call sector investing. So if you are good in hospitality industry experience and everything, then you can develop the portfolio and the investment strategy just solely in the hospitality industry, right? Identify the investment opportunity and the profitable firms with good potentials in casino, restaurant, airline, or the hospitality industry, right? So here you can see the pay is way higher if you have both hospitality experience and financial modeling skills. So here is the additional information. You can see you can do all this kind of jobs after you get the master degree from in finance, right? In finance. So this program is a one-year program designed it's with the STEM designation. That means what? That means for international students, you can have 3 years after graduate to do your OPT. Also, we do allow you to do part-time and complete everything over multiple years. Here is my email. Here is my phone number. Feel free to call me or email me for any additional inquiries. Also, if you have a GPA of 3.5, and then we can admit you immediately without asking you to take a GMAT, right? GMAT. Also, sometimes I have some GA position I could consider you guys too, right?